right, so a lot of the times when we come out to the sandbar, you're never quite sure what you're going to find, but normally you can always guarantee and get really excited about things as simple as snails and hermit crabs. So let me show you what I found. You'll notice that there's a couple of shells that will continually start moving around. There's various types of hermit crabs. Some of the shells you might be familiar with. We had pointed out our fighting conch shell a couple of weeks ago. These little ones are called batellaria. They're those really, really small ones that you see. But I wanted to point out these shells in particular. And these are called shark eye moon snails. So shark's eye, right? That's how they got it. And a moon snail. It's that circular shape. So if you've ever gone to the beach and you have seen clamshells with that perfect hole in them, and you wonder, how did that perfect hole get there? These are the reason. They're predatory snails. They have really sharp, it's called a radula. It's basically their mouth structure. They'll actually attack the clam, drill into its shell, and actually it's kind of cool, kind of gross, but they'll actually put stomach acid into the clam and actually slurp up the clam. So these guys are actually predatory snails. So they'll go around and actively hunt for clams. So the next time you see all those beautiful shells and want to make necklaces out of them, thank your moon snail. So shark eye moon snail. Ta-da!
Here at Cato's Bridge and the Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse outstanding natural area, and we stumbled upon this really cool cushioned sea star. So I'm going to kind of hold it up so you guys can see right here. This is our Bahamas Sea Star. They are a native sea star to our area, and they have no eyes, no ears, no nose, but they do have a mouth, and their mouth is actually on the bottom of their bodies. So it's right there in the middle. He just blew some bubbles at us. Now they are a type of echinoderm, like our sea urchins are as well. And whenever you find these guys out in the wild, we want to make sure that we don't completely pull them out of the water, otherwise they can't breathe. So we want to make sure that we're still kind of leaving them alone and being nice and respectful.